I see you watching TV. I know you want it, see me. I know you need it, drug lord. You want it all, you don't. I know you need love. I need some too. Do you want this like it wants you?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherisse and today we're going to be installing this beautiful unit from HerGivenhair. The unit that we're going to be reviewing today is the 3-in-1 half wig unit. And guys, all the details for this unit are going to be linked below in case you guys want to check it out. The packaging is really lovely, very simplistic, but also very sleek as well. And inside the box, we have, of course, our wig. We have a little booklet with some instructions on how to install and care for the wig. And we also have a little satin bag, which is great for storing your wig as well and keeping it nice and healthy. The wig that I chose for today's video is the Coily wig, which is like a 3C to 4A texture, and I got it in 20 inches, guys. So this is the wig fresh out the packet, and it also comes with some extra combs in case you want to secure your wig a little bit more. On the inside of the wig, it comes with about 4 combs on the inside, 2 large ones and 2 smaller ones. What I love about these combs is that they're not those hard plastic combs. They're actually really soft, and therefore they're flexible to be able to get into our cornrows and also shape it to the form of our head as well. Additionally, guys, it also comes with a little drawstring at the back, which I really like because you don't really see this much. You see like that little clip, bra clip looking thing, but this one has a really cool drawstring to just tighten it. I'm going to go ahead, guys, and wash this wig and condition it off camera, and we'll be back to get ready for our install. Okay guys, so now we're ready to install our wig, and as you can see, my hair is already cornrowed and braided up. If you didn't watch my last routine video, I would have prepped my hair for this particular style, so we don't have to do that today. It's already done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this up to get some of it out of the way. And as you can see, I have my hair in like levels of cornrows just to make it easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cornrow each level across to the side and then braid it down. And this is going to help us later when we want to pin our hair down. It's going to keep everything really flat and really seamless, guys. Okay, so now in terms of our leave out, I have to obviously go ahead and unpick the front of my hair. I'm gonna just grab a little comb like this, which helps with parting. So guys, you know that I'm on this journey of protective styling and we're trying to get our hair to tailbone length. So I'm not going to be, for the purpose of this style and what I'm trying to achieve with my hair, I'm not going to be leaving out much hair. So I'm gonna leave out just a little bit in the front, and I'm gonna try to wear this wig as full as I can on my hair with minimal leave out, given that it's a half wig. So as you guys can see, I'm just leaving out like a really small set of hair just at the front perimeter of my head, which will be enough to hide the actual wig itself, but also make the hair fall really seamless, especially if I want to do either a side part or a middle parting at any point, or if I just want to wear it straight back without any parts. Leaving out this amount of hair will be able to create all of that. Okay, so now that we're finished, guys, we're gonna go ahead and grab some bobby pins, and we're gonna take the bobby pins and just secure our hair, guys, as flat as we can. I don't like to have like a bulky set of hair in the back of my head, particularly when I have a wig on. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab our wig, and we're just gonna slip the combs into our cornrows as carefully as we can. Now, I was very scared for this part, guys, because I don't like combs in wigs because they tend to hurt my hair, but these combs were so soft and they're flexible, so you can actually like curve them to get into the cornrows if they're not going in one direction. Okay, so guys, that is it. This is this wig fresh out the packet, raw and installed. And so now we're gonna go ahead, guys, and style this wig because we cannot have it looking this dry. I'm using a spray bottle of water just to wet the hair, and I'm using some curly mousse. Everything that I use today, guys, will be mentioned down below. I'm also going to use my brush to just help me detangle the hair and form the curls a little bit better. So I'm going to just work the mousse through small sections of the hair. So wet the hair, guys, apply the mousse, This is curling mousse, so it will help with the curls of the natural curls of the hair as well. And then I just brush it and detangle it, and that's it. If you want, you can actually wet the hair, then detangle, and then apply mousse if you don't want curls to be manipulated too much and you want them to stay as natural flowing as possible. I like my curls to fall as naturally as possible, guys, so you will see that I am applying the mousse and then I'm going through the strands one by one to help the curls to naturally separate and naturally form while applying the mousse. And this is just another technique that I'm using just to make sure that the curls come out looking as natural as possible. And now to prep our leave out, we're going to just grab our tub of Eco Styler gel. Of course, you can use any gel that you prefer for your leave out. I'm just using this, guys, because this is honestly what I have close to my hand, because I don't really do wash and go styles. So I'm just using whatever I have around the house. And I'm just going to apply some mousse onto my hair first, let the curls naturally separate, and then I'm taking each curl separation and going over it with a little bit of Eco Styler gel. Now you guys know that I can be allergic to gel, so I don't use them a lot in my hair. So right now I'm trying to use as little as I can and trying not to let it go anywhere near my scalp as well. But guys, very simple, very easy. Just separate the curls, try to get your curls as fluffy as possible, and this is the finished look. Guys, I absolutely love it. Like, the curls look so full. I'm sure this is what a wash and go on my hair probably would look like. I probably might be a little bit shorter than this. I do have a discount code for you which will give you $30 off of this wig. You heard it right, $30 off. But I absolutely love it. It looks seamless. It's giving summer. Thank you guys so much for watching and all your love so far, guys. I really appreciate it. It has not gone unnoticed, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.